Good morning, listeners. It's Wednesday morning, and you're listening to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, here to break down yesterday's stock market action for you. So let's dive in. Yesterday, the stock market closed on a higher note, but it was a pretty quiet day overall. The Dow Jones Industrial Average saw a slight increase of over 0.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite wasn't far behind with about a 0.3% gain. The Standard & Poor's 500 also inched up by 0.1%. As we near the end of November, there's a buzz among investors. Everyone's wondering if a pullback might be on the horizon, especially after such a strong performance this month. Remember, it's been one of the best months for stocks in over a year. Now, on the interest rates front, there's some mixed signals from the Federal Reserve. We had Fed Governor Michelle Bowman suggesting rates might need to rise further to hit that 2% inflation target. But then, Fed Governor Christopher Waller seems a bit more confident that we're at the right levels, though he's waiting on more data. On the data side, the Treasury yields dipped a bit on Waller's comments, with the 10-year yield dropping to around 4.34%. That's close to what we saw back in September. And finally, let's talk consumer confidence and shopping. The Conference Board reported a jump in consumer confidence for November, but, interestingly, the expectations index is still signaling potential recession worries. Meanwhile, Cyber Monday was a hit with a whopping $12.4 billion spent online, up nearly 10% from last year. Well, that's all for today's quick market recap. I'd like to take this opportunity to express my condolences on the passing of an investment legend. Yesterday, Charlie Munger passed away at the age of 99. As a tribute to this remarkable man, I published an exclusive episode last night, which I think you should all go and listen to. Thank you, Mr. Munger, for all that you did for the investment world. You are truly a legend, and thank you everyone for tuning in. I'll catch you tomorrow with more updates. Keep an eye on those markets.